What is going on, guys? So I actually did hit 1,000 subscribers, almost 1,100, as you can see here. So I wanted to thank you guys because I now have to choose a random commenter slash subscriber to provide a stock to. So I've been researching over the past day or so how I can actually provide stock to people, and it's a lot more difficult than I thought. So still trying to think about whether or not I'm going to purchase an actual physical share of stock or just provide them like a Amazon gift card or actually provide them with cash that they can then take to buy that stock and give them, let's say, like $45 for a share of BP or $60 for a share of Royal Dutch Shell. So I have to figure that out. But actually checking and finding the subscriber, so I'm going to be using this website here, Sandra Sears, and this is the 1,000 subscriber giveaway video that I made. So 16 of you actually put your comments on here and subscribe to the video. So I'm going to be using that to randomly pick a potential winner. So a couple of this. So Dante, I remember talking to you quite a bit. So congratulations, you are the gentleman that I will be messaging to figure out how we can get you your potential stock or what have you. But I guess keeping in mind, since I have been taking so much time over the past month or so, I wanted to give you guys a slight update as to why I have been doing that. So I hit 1,000 subscribers, I think, on like July 20th or July 21st or something like that. And the reason why I was holding back on actually posting more videos was because Google then messaged me and emailed me and said, hey, now that you have 1,000 subscribers and you meet the criteria to get monetized again, let us review your account. And I was thinking, wow, review my account. I figured as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, I would be able to immediately start making ads and everything for you guys and videos for you guys. But as you can see, as of like 3 or 4 days ago, I actually started getting paid again. So it took them a good 2 or 3 weeks to review my videos and make sure that I wasn't wasn't I guess posting crazy videos that could, I guess, upset advertisers or other individuals or hurt the community on YouTube. So completely understandable. I wish it would have been a little bit faster, but in the meantime, I was kind of turned off by making videos just because I wasn't sure if they were going to, I guess, like shut down the account or something like that. So I was just kind of playing it safe, but plenty of videos up and coming, like the July dividend update, around $300 or so there that I need to update you guys on. Another purchase that I had made, which actually is not a dividend stock, surprisingly, and I think a sale as well that I had made in July. So maybe I'll make a video on those. And I also want to update you guys on my YouTube Money account, the account that I basically take all my YouTube dollars that I create from YouTube and invest in. So some of you may know I have around an $800. I've so far been paid around $800 from YouTube throughout the past year or so of doing YouTube videos, which isn't a lot, but now that I'm back making money again, hopefully continue to grow that account. So I think it's a really cool concept. I take all the money that I make from YouTube, invest it into that account, and then invest that account, and then update you guys on progress. So the hope is I only have like $800 in there now. I have $300 or so in cash. The hope is once I get a decent amount of money, more than $800, really probably make more of a segment where we every other week or so, I'll probably be like, hey, what's a stock I should buy? What's a stock I should sell? And really just keep track of the dividends in that. So I think it'd be really cool as the channel is called My Dividend Journey, to really start a portfolio utilizing the community that I'm building around with you guys to start a portfolio from scratch. So anyway, that's long enough, I guess, channel update. 1,000 subscribers. I'm very ecstatic. Almost 1,100 subscribers. Back making money again from YouTube. Dante Weaver, I will be messaging you to figure out how I can fulfill my promise of buying you a share of stock. Anyway, thanks again for subscribing, and I'm glad to be making videos again. And I will talk to you guys soon. If you're not subscribed already, feel free to subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for what you want to see on the channel, as always, leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to oblige, because I like to hear what you guys think. And obviously, as a person making these videos, I can't always think about what you guys like to see. So I really appreciate those. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great week.